I gave AI 7 days, zero money, zero skills, and told it to make $1,000. No job, no experience, no shortcuts. And what happened on day 4 honestly surprised me, because it almost failed. So here is the deal. Most people think AI equals easy money. That is wrong. AI does not make money. It helps you solve problems faster. And if you do not understand that, you will make $0. But if you do, you can literally build income from nothing. Let me show you exactly what I did. Day 1. Finding the money. I did not start with tools. I started with one question. Who already has money and a problem? Because that is the only thing that matters. AI told me something interesting. Local businesses are struggling with leads, content, and time. They do not care about AI, they care about more customers. So I picked one simple offer. I help businesses get more customers using AI content. No website, no logo, just a simple promise. Day 2. Letting AI do the work. Now I used AI. I asked it to create a content plan for a local gym. This is exactly what businesses are paying for right now because they do not have time to do it themselves. So I took it, I made it look clean and turned it into a simple PDF. That is it. No skills, just smart packaging. Day 3. Getting the first client. I went to Google Maps, typed gyms near me, opened random profiles and looked for one thing. Bad or dead social media. Found one in 2 minutes. Their last post? 6 months ago. Perfect. I sent a message. Hey, I made a free content plan for your gym. Want me to send it? No selling, no pressure, and then nothing, no reply, no money. Day 4. The reality check. This is where most people quit. Because AI does not fix this part. You still have to talk to people. So I changed the message. Shorter, clearer. Day 5. First money. They liked it. A lot. They did not care about AI. They saw, this saves me hours of work. So I said, I can do this monthly for $200. Simple, no overthinking. They said yes. Day 6. Scaling. Most beginners stop at one client. That is a mistake, because this model scales fast. So I repeated the same process. Find business, generate content with AI, send free sample, close. 3 more messages, 2 more clients. Now we are at $600 per month. Day 7. The $1,000 break. One more push. Same system, same offer. One more client. Boom. $1,000 per month in 7 days. But here is the truth. This is not magic. Most people trying AI side hustles make very little because they chase tools, not problems. The winners. They solve a real problem. Simple action plan. Pick one niche. Use AI to create content. Turn it into a simple offer. Send 10 messages per day. Close 1 to 2 clients. No website needed. Just consistency. AI is not your business. It is your shortcut. So yeah, I did not just test AI. I tested a system and it worked. Are you going to watch videos or actually try it? If you want more real experiments like this, subscribe, because next time I am pushing this to $5,000.